In this video, I will show you how to mute people on Instagram. This should be a quick and easy process, but before we do continue, be sure to leave a like on the video and consider subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to go ahead and actually mute people on Instagram, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up Instagram. So as you can see, I've currently got Instagram opened and I'm here on my Instagram profile page. First, what you're going to want to do is find the person that you want to mute. So you can check your followers, or you can use the search magnifying glass at the bottom and type who you want to mute. In this example, we're going to use NASA as an example, and all you want to do is come across that person's profile. You can see I'm currently following NASA, and if you actually come down and press onto the following box, you're going to see this menu come up. Now in here, you're going to see an option for mute, and if you go ahead and give this a press, you can choose what to mute from this particular Instagram account. So in this example, I've turned the switches on to mute posts and stories from this person on Instagram. You can see there's also further options for notes and notes on posts and reels. Instagram does not let them know that you muted them as well, but all you need to do is simply turn the switches on for what particular features of Instagram you want to mute from that person. Once that's done, you can just simply come back and that person would now be muted. To unmute that person, again, all you need to do is a similar process. Press onto the following box, press onto mute and simply turn the switches off, just like so. So that is how to mute people on Instagram. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.